Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on see all 43 apps, of course 43 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then tap on Reset Up Preferences here, and as you can see, your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.